Hello, how are you? My coffee addiction has not gotten worse. I've just been drinking more coffee. Now, we got a good video today. I'm tired of looking at the Mark 6 wheels. They're stock, they're boring. They're putting me to sleep, and they're definitely putting you guys to sleep. So I went ahead and I got wheels for the Mark 6. Now I know what you're thinking, Alex, you went out and purchased wheels without us? You didn't film it? No, the only thing I purchased was this D-style Volkswagen wheel key that I broke actually over a year ago. So today we're putting on the BLQs off of the Mark 5 onto the Mark 6. We're going multi-spoke. As you can see on the Mark 6, the stock wheels are a 5-spoke wheel. I'm not a low number spoke type guy. I love multi-spoke. So the direction we're going to be going with the Mark 5, a low offset wheel isn't going to be fitting it. The Mark 6 is a daily. I always wanted BLQs. The BLQs were actually supposed to be the first wheels I was ever going to purchase. So it's a perfect fit for this. We're going to have to lower the car because, you know, 18 going onto a car that's currently running 16s and a 55 sidewall. The fitment's just totally different. So we're going to throw these BLQs on. We're going to lower the car. And I got some other goodies from TLTC Motorworks that I'm going to be installing in a few short days. So if you guys can guess what it is, throw you a thumbs up. But don't tell anyone. Shh. Now I'm in a dilemma here. Which car do I jack up first? Because I don't have wheels to swap. One of these cars is going to have to sit on a wooden block first. I think we're going to do the Mark 6. Good old Mark 6. She's looking better than ever, honestly. Oh, yeah, no glove plugs. We don't do that around here. All right, so we got the Mark 6 moved out of the way. Now we can work on the Mark 5 and the Mark 6 without clashing with each other. I think I'm just going to do this here in the driveway, even though we do have garage space. The TT does drive. I've been daily driving this car, and what I mean by that is like 40 miles a week. Like literally maximum 40 miles a week. So everything's a daily drive around here. Here we go with the wheel key. I was hammering sockets on here trying to get these things off, and I was just like, nope, I'm not doing that anymore. Alexa, turn lights on. Here's the outer ring of the front wheel, and here's the wheel bolt that it goes around. So literally, like, this all just compresses on here, this centers it out. You got to break this off, and then you can hammer a socket onto there. But I was like, I'm not going to do that to all 4 wheels. So I did it to one in a snowstorm last year. In a fit of rage, got it done, and then I just let this car sit for a year, so it's time she gets her wheel swapped. Also, if a lot of you guys are new to the channel, we've been getting a lot of growth while I've been away. The TT has got a new shift knob. I cleaned the interior. This car has been awesome to me. And the rust on the back hatch, actually, I cleaned it up a little bit. And I just got all my tools back here. On the Mark 5 God, I've got a ton of Mark 5, Mark 6 lugs, so that's great, because once I get that wheel bolt off, I'm gonna put this right in there. We're gonna delete that good old guy right there. I'm just gonna put it out there. The reason that the wheel key broke is because, no, not because of my impact, because I put 130 foot-pounds of torque down on these bolts, and it just snapped the teeth right off in a freezing cold. It was like 12 degrees outside, so just life. I'm not joking, these 130 foot-pounds, that was a struggle. Don't forget, you always got a jacket. So I just took the back wheel off and I realized that the rear actually can't go any lower because the spring's just flopping in there and I'm not even running a perch. So hopefully the BLQ height is good. I think it's gonna be good. It's more of just like a front's gonna be the issue. So I'll be able to lower the front, but I think the rear's gonna be good because I run the rear like lower. I run like reverse rake in this car. It was tucking in the rear, up about 1 inch in the front. So this is gonna be sick. Oh my God. Wheel ramps. Oh, what do I do now? Perfect. Oh, we're good. Now we should start off on this side to take the wheels off, but like, that'd be too easy. So let's come over here where I don't even know if this is gonna work. Like in an ideal situation, I'd start the Mark 5 up, drive it forward and off of the edge of the curb so I can get a jack underneath there and drive it up on wood, but it doesn't move. So it's on the edge of the curb, there's nowhere for the jack to go, and it's too low for a jack. So I think we're gonna do, I mean, all this is theoretical work, so don't take any tips from me. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I got an idea. So we're not gonna get the pinch weld, but we are gonna get the pinch weld, if you know what I mean. So there's like the lift point of the pinch weld, and then there's just the pinch weld. And so screw it. And I'm honestly not too worried about this car because, yeah, let's just jack this up. So actually my goal right now is to jack this up so high on this side that the other side lifts off and I put wood underneath the other wheel. It's gonna work, it's gonna work. Okay, this side's risking it for the biscuit. Oh, money. This side's off the ground too, so we're gonna have enough height to get underneath there, and I'll hold this up with blocks. Okay, got that wood under there. Now I can get the pinch weld and actually have all this car's weight based on that pinch weld. Money. All right, I use my big brain. I put these two blocks underneath the control arm, so then I'll be able to get the jack onto the proper spot of the pinch weld. Look how high off the ground that side is. I'm gonna rip that wheel off first. Oh my God. And my favorite part about this car is that I take the wheel off so often. You ready for this? It just come right out. Oh yeah. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Stay. And now since this wheel's off on the ground, I'm just gonna and take both wheels off. Oh my God. And the car's teetering. Oh my God. Come on. Oh. Can we get it out? Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh my God. Oh. Like a dream. And those blocks did their job. Car looks good. Rust free. Oh, we're rust free. Don't mind if I do. Please. Thank you. So I figured while I was in the wheel well, I'll let you mark 4, 5, 6, and 7, and possibly even 8. I don't know about the 8 platform. Static boys and girls who run a lot of camber know that basically I'm gonna be building shock relocations that are gonna allow you to go lower and get the camber while still running a shock. And those are gonna be coming soon. So if you guys want that, just let me know in the comments, and I'll start building them and perfecting it, and then maybe be able to hook you guys up. Boop. Don't. Oh damn, it's not bolted up. That is meaty, bro. Oh my God, versus stock? Are you kidding me? All right, let's freaking lower this rig. Oh my God. So I don't know if a lot of you guys know the intended use for this car, but it's literally the daily. Like this car, I want to be able to just be like, oh, I'm going to see my friend in Indiana. Oh, I want to drive to Oregon. And that's what this car's purpose has been for the past 3 years. It's been the daily. But hey, I want to add some spice to it. So, let's just talk about it. Clean, nice, sweet. It has me stoked. We got to put the front wheel on. For the front wheel, we're probably going to have to lower this thing, and I'm not even going to waste my time fitting it up. I'm literally just going to lower the front coil over like that much, and then we're just going to throw it on, and we're going to worry about an alignment 6 months from now when the tires are bald. All right, get rid of that junk. Oh yeah, we got some threads to play with. I'm probably going to bring it from like here to like here. This is a daily. Okay, I have so many sets of BCs, and here's 3 wrenches, and we only need 2. You know what? Free little chair. I'm gonna take a seat. Oh, look at this. We rub. I'm gonna use the same piece of tape on the other side, butt it up from the bottom to the top. Let's throw this wheel on. They see me rolling, they hating. Oh my God, they look so good. And the angles are just, oh my God. Will she rub? Oh yeah. Dude, I put that to the perfect fucking height. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Dude. I was so scared that it was gonna have rubbing issues. It may have rubbing issues when we drive, but that blue tape rips in half. This looks so good. Let's do the other side. Everyone's always asking me how to properly like install like wheel bolts. Like that. That's how you do it, okay? There's no pre-thread, none of that. OSHA approved. Okay, maybe I lied about that, but I mean, just don't tell them. Just need this wheel off the ground for like 2 seconds, okay? There's nothing going on here, nothing suspicious. This Mark V is literally just like, when are you gonna kill me? Just do, oh my, what are you gonna do? Oh. What are you gonna do it? Oh, we're off the ground, we're ready to go. We're OSHA approved. Perfect. All right, there we go. Perfect. No, wait. It's not perfect until you really just. See it? See it? Yeah. Shit goes so hard. Oh my God, bro, this looks so good. It feels so good. I gotta take it for a drive. See how the wheels spin. So the Mark V's looking hard. We're feeling smooth, they're feeling grippy. It's so much nicer to ride on some 40 sidewalls as opposed to 55. These might even be 45 sidewall, but either way, the stocks of those 55s, the ride is so much different now. It feels like my coilovers are stiffer just because the tire doesn't have so much give, but let's pull us out onto the road and see how she feels. Oh, Amazon. You already know I got 3 packages coming from there today. Okay, I actually lied. I've got 1 package coming. The other one came yesterday and there was no third because that came on Monday. Gotta get my priorities straight. Static, we're about to hit a bump. That felt so much better than having a 55 sidewall. Another bump, another bump. I live my life with no fear. I'm never scared. Also, I'd like to make the point that my wheel is straight. Having dead straight, like literally straighter than it was before. Usually when you lower your car, the alignment gets out of whack, but the tires were getting eaten up before with just my string alignment. So I think, like, look at this. We're going, it's perfect. God, it looks so good. Let's back it up into its spot. Let's finish it off. Let's park her. I'm so happy I did this. Oh my God. My two favorite people, Amazon and the post lady. USPS, whatever. Oh my God. Yo, these BLQs, they go dummy hard. Nah, but I'm stoked to bring the Mark 6 to the channel once again. We did the grill. I think that was the last like modification we did besides the coilovers. If you guys want the coilover video, it's linked down in the description. But hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the parts you got from TLTC Motorworks. Remember, your build is unique to you, and don't even put you down. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. A little bit of bonus footage. I'm just like sitting on some wood, doing my thing, just looking at it. It looks so good. I'm so happy, dude. I can't wait to bring you guys content. Like this has made me so happy today. Like just being out here filming and just like honing in my craft. Like this is what I used to do every day. I used to vlog every day for like ever. And I was really into it. And I kind of like lost my love for it, I guess you would say, just because like, you know, stuff happened. I had to rebuild myself, and now I'm back to having 3 cars again on the channel, and we're gonna have more. We're gonna have a lot more. So just comment what you guys want to see. If you guys live in New Jersey, I'll come hang out with you. I'll come to your shop. I'll come chill. Like I'm down to vlog, whatever. Like I'm in this for the long haul. I quit my job in 2019 and I went full force. I've been doing this for 3 years, and nothing makes me more happy than making videos for you guys and for myself. So I want to let you guys know I appreciate you, and I just can't wait for the future. So let's do this. Peace.